Hello everybody. So today I'm going to do something I haven't done in a long time, which is create a loop. I'm doing this on the DP32, and what my goal is, my original thing was I was going to create the loop, put it on my 414, and then finish the song from that point. But I want the loop I'm using is stereo, and I'm literally gonna lose to a track for it. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to do it on my DP32, and then when my 232 returns, I'm going to record onto that so that I can then use it. Now, why am I using the DP32 to do this? Well, because I can, and I feel I need to, because the last time I did a loop, I did a horrible job at it. I've gotten better at it. I've gotten smarter about it. So I want to show you what I did. So let's talk about where I got the loop from. So Mike G, friend of the show, he's also a member of the channel. He sent me a link to his SoundCloud SoundCloud Sounds of Insanity page, and he asked me if I listened to some of the stuff, and I did, and I found Dumbass Alert, which I liked. So I asked him, can I use it for something? And he says, sure. So I'm using it for this, Mike. And then I'm going to turn it into a song. He wants people to go there and try the stuff out. I will include a link to his SoundCloud page on this video, and it'll also pop up as it usually does on the corner. So yeah, so what it is this pretty much.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert.
Sorry, I was blowing out the system there. I didn't realize it was going to be that loud into the computer. I have to set that stuff. So either way, that's what it is. It says dumbass alert, dumbass alert. Now I did modify it, and I will show you on here. So on using Audacity, I added like a second of silence just to make it a little longer, so that I could use it more for my purpose. So I don't know if this is gonna. I'm not even gonna bother trying to do it on the thing, but it is slightly longer. So okay, so I have that done. So now I've already imported it into a song onto the DP32. So let's go look at the DP32. Now I have put it on track 9 and 10. Whoops, this is not working. So just a second. Let me just do that again. Is it working this time? Yes. Okay, so it is on 9 and 10 here. So it's in stereo. So if I go and I show you the jog play, I'll show the jog play first. So what I have done is I have the start here. So it's starting at the beginning.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert.
So I have it starting there. Now that's the whole thing. It's a 7-second piece. But what I have done is I'm just going to forward to the out, so that the in is starting at the 0. The out is at 4 seconds 29. So it's 4.5 seconds. So that's roughly where it is. And as you can see, I have it just before it goes into the last one. That is so that I can get the full feel of it. So I just did that with the mark set. So over here, just the mark set buttons down here. We'll just quick. So I'll hold down mark set, and then I hit in to do the first part, and then out over there, just mark set out. So that's done. That's all I did for that. You can test it.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert,
bounce.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass.
So it's good. The timing is decent. I'm able to follow it. So let's just turn off repeat now. So what I want to do is I want to copy and paste this, and I'm going to paste it onto track. We'll just do 11 and 12. It's right there. So we go track edit. So we're over on this side of the board here. So track edit. Go to copy. You got copy, paste, copy, insert, move, paste, move, insert. So we got all these things. We're going to use the first one. So I've already got the in and out set, because that's what's going to ask me. So then I'm going to say yes. So let's click. All right, so track 9 and 10 is the start, and then you can change the target. So I want the target to be at 0, so I need to do something. So I'm going to stop for a second. So I'm going to get out of this. No, we're just going to cancel. Reason I'm getting out is because I want it to be at the beginning. So now I'm at the beginning, because that's how you set it where you want it to put it is you set it by the where you have it here. So if I say I want to start at, you know what, I could actually give myself like a second or two. So maybe I'll do that. I will give myself the 1, 2. We'll put a 4-second delay at the beginning. So there. All right. So I want a 4-second delay before it starts doing the regular stuff. Now what I could do is, if let's say I want to tack it onto the end of this track, I could just forward and then I could just go there and then it'll tack it on for me. I don't have to do anything. But I want it to go onto a different track, so I'm going to put it at 0. So we have 4 seconds in, gives me a little second to, so it's not like click down and it starts. So we're going to do that. So let's see. So we will do, okay, track edit again. So we will say copy paste. Yes. So now you can see it says target is 4 seconds in. So I want to go on to tracks 11 and 12. And then I can change the number of times. So I got to figure out how many times I want to do it. So I'm going to pull up my calculator here. Let's just pull up my calculator. So I will let you see my calculator. Let's just go over here. All right, so it's 4.5 seconds. I want it to be 2 minutes. So 2 minutes is 120 seconds divided by 4.5. This is a rough estimate. So 27 times is what I'm looking to do here. So that's good. That'll work. All right, so let's go back into the screen here. So we are going to do it 27 times. I think you can go up to 99. You can go up to 99 times. I'm going to do 27 times, which is roughly 2 minutes. Okay, there we go. Now we say yes. So hit F2. All right, now let's switch to the timeline. So now you can see here, track 11 now has a long file. So I'm going to bring down track 1. I'm going to bring down track 9. So, because track 9 only played for a second. Well, we can do this as well. So let's go back to the meter section. So I'm going to have both up. So what you're going to hear is you're going to hear a loop for a second, because I'm going to play. We'll start by showing that it did copy it.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert. Dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert, dumbass alert.
Okay. So now you see that's copied. So now I'm going to bring down 910. So you can see 910 going.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert. Dumbass alert, dumbass alert.
There's 2.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert.
3.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert.
4.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert. Dumbass alert, dumbass alert. Dumbass alert.
So, and if I forward it, it goes to 2 minutes and 18 seconds. If I go here, let's go to jog play for a second. Let's check to 11, 10, 11, and then I'll just start pulling back. So there it is. So it is a total of roughly 2 minutes and 18 seconds minus the 4 seconds that I put for the beginning. So that is roughly 2 minutes and 14 seconds is what it's going to be. So that is the start of my loop here. And then you can see if I go, I'll play it.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert.
There's the break.
Dumbass alert, dumbass alert. Dumbass alert, dumbass alert. Dumbass alert, dumbass alert. Dumbass alert, dumbass alert. Dumbass alert, dumbass alert.
All right. There's the first step. So now all I got to do is get my model, my 238 back, and I can start using that to do the next part, because I'm just going to transfer it, copy it, well, pretty much play it onto the other computer, onto that using the new cassettes that I got from Tascam, the new Tascam 424S track. So now that I can't talk anymore, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.